Hello, learners! Welcome back. I'm Kira, and today's video is a little special. I'm not at home. I'm not in my cozy bedroom. I'm at the beach. That's right. I decided to take a solo trip. Just me, my bag, and the ocean. No plans, no group, no one to wait for. Just freedom. Have you ever traveled alone? It can sound scary, but today I want to show you how wonderful it actually is. Let's go. I woke up early this morning, much earlier than my usual weekend routine. I took a train to a small beach town, about 2 hours from the city. When I stepped off the train, the first thing I noticed was the smell, that fresh, salty sea air. I took a deep breath and immediately felt relaxed. I didn't book a fancy hotel. I found a small, simple guest house just a 5-minute walk from the sea. Solo travel doesn't have to be expensive. You just need to After dropping my bag at the guest house, I went straight to the beach. And oh my, it was beautiful. Wide open sky, soft sand, and the sound of waves crashing gently. I took off my shoes and walked along the shore. There's something magical about walking barefoot on sand. It grounds you. It makes all your worries feel very small. I didn't have a plan. I didn't check my phone. I just walked and looked and breathed. After my walk, I found a tiny cafe right by the water. I sat at a window seat, the best seat in the house, and ordered a coffee and some toast with eggs. Eating alone in a new place used to feel awkward for me, but now I love it. You notice everything more. The taste of the food, the sound around you, the little details. I took out my journal and started writing. How I felt, what I saw, what I was grateful for. It was quiet, peaceful, and complete. In the late afternoon, when the sun wasn't too strong, I finally went into the water. The sea was cool and refreshing. I screamed a little when the first wave hit me, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a strong swimmer, so I stayed close to the shore, just jumping in the waves like a child. Pure joy. And then the sunset. Oh, learners, I can't describe it with words. The sky turned orange, pink, and purple all at once. I sat on the sand and just watched. It felt like the whole world had slowed down. For dinner, I found a small outdoor restaurant with fairy lights and candles. I sat outside right under the open sky and ordered a big bowl of pasta and a cold lemonade. People sometimes ask me, isn't it sad to eat alone? And my answer is absolutely not. I had a book, I had my thoughts, I had beautiful surroundings. That's more than enough. Solo dining is an act of self-love. You are choosing yourself. You are enjoying your own company. And that is a beauty. One of my favorite things about solo travel? You can go wherever you want, whenever you want. No compromises. I wandered through the little streets, stopping at a small market, trying a local snack, peeking into a cute bookshop. I found a handmade bracelet that I bought as a souvenir. It cost almost nothing, but it means everything. A local woman saw me looking at a map and offered to give me directions. People are so kind when you're open to them. For lunch, I had fresh seafood, grilled fish with lemon and salad. When you're by the sea, you have to eat seafood. It was so fresh and delicious. After lunch, I went back to the beach and just lay down on my towel. I put on my sun hat, closed my eyes, and listened to the ocean. No music, no podcasts, just waves. I think I actually fell asleep for a little while. and it was the best nap I've had in months. There's no sound more relaxing. After dinner, I went for one last walk along the beach. It was dark, but the moon was bright and the stars were incredible, so many more than you ever see in the city. I stood at the edge of the water and just thought about things, about life, about goals, about the people I love. Solo travel gives you that space, the space to think clearly. I felt proud of myself for coming alone, for trying new things, for being brave. And I thought, I will definitely do this again. And that was my solo beach trip. One day, one beach, and so many beautiful memories. If you've been thinking about traveling alone, I want to encourage you. Start small. One day, one nearby place. You don't need a group to have a great time. You just need yourself, and that is always enough. Have you ever traveled solo? Would you like to try? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big like, subscribe for more English learning content, and share it with a friend who loves travel. See you in the next video. Take care and go explore the world.